we weren't the only ones on the road. There were hundreds of people. The roads in France, in the north of France, go like that. And we had by then left much of our stuff in Condette and just had one suitcase, which whoever was in the mood or able to, we had a stick going through the handle and then two people would carry it, taking turns. It was kind of scary when the German plane strafed us, but we kept on going. And then the sad part was that as we're walking, and I'm very unhappy, and I'm, you know, complaining, and it's up and down, and my grandfather insists on wearing his coat, and he's very old, and so we're moving very slowly. And at one point, we see a group of people coming our way who look just like we do, dragging suitcases, walking, and, you know, coming our way. And we said, now, wait a minute. We're going this way because the Germans are behind us. And they said, well, we're coming this way because the Germans are behind us as well.